Hey guys, welcome to this update from us RGJ trains at David Junction. Are you impressed? We're actually doing the update this week. But anyway, as those will have seen, we've got a few issues with the lines that we've got to fix. But also Rob has thought about his tunnel. So we're going to be looking at, hopefully, throughout this week, it might not be the update, but hopefully sorting that bottom line out and then getting this bit tidied up as well. So a few things, but let's hope it goes well. See you later, guys.
Goes well, yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Catch you in a bit, guys.
Bye.
Right, so as Grace has said, I've got a few things I need to do before going with my op a week tomorrow, because I won't be able to climb on the layout for quite some time. And one of those is sorting this out. I do want retaining walls on it, even though I've managed to lose them. But obviously I've got an issue. The retaining walls need to come up a bit. So what I'm going to do is the what's it called? Oh, I've already forgotten. COMPTON, that was it. I'm going to bring this up here a bit, and I've also got to take it in because the tunnel needs to go further over that way. So I've got a gap to fill in here and raise that so that the retaining walls are actually retaining walls, not just decoration. I've got to do that. I've got to do the gap in the line as discussed on the episode at the weekend. So yeah, we'll crack on with that. Right, so as usual with the sculptor mould, 2 cups of sculptor mould to 1 cup water. It does help to put in a little bit more water than needed because it makes it last a bit longer, because this stuff goes up incredibly quickly. And then just paste it into place. I'll hyperlapse this as usual with RGJ so we don't bore the muck out of it. Right, I'm going to leave that side as that in a minute. It will need some more adding to it, I think. I think I'm just trying to put too much on at once, and with it being a loose consistency, it's just sliding back down. But that's a good start for it. It's about envisioning things, I suppose. Let's see how that dries out and then add to it, and then try and work in the other side as well. I think I'll leave Grace do her bit now, whatever she's doing, and pass you on to her.
Hi all, so only me here. So now we are trying to finish off this mainline station. Those, when I built it, will have known I slightly stuffed up here and put 2 where one should have been on top. But thankfully, due to having the same building donated, I was able to get the parts off of there. And then I've got to continue just adding my last few bits for tiles, bits like that. The only thing we are not going with is the canopy. I kind of completely forgot about it, and then with what we want to put in, we're not actually going to include that. So hopefully be a little bit different from other ones as well. So I'm going to do the usual hyperlapse it and crack on with that, guys. here we are at the end of this update, and as you can see we've now filled in the gaps. So what we've used is the extra fine ballast stone that Sodor Dan gave us a while ago, but I think it really completes it, really makes it seem like it's meant to be there. So I think we've got the other side, making the platform a bit more realistic and possibly painting up a few figures, and hopefully we're on to this being complete. So thanks everyone, and we'll catch you at the weekend. Bye for now.